Welcome to another adventure with VueX, y'all. Buckle up, grab your hiking boots, and get ready for the adventure of a lifetime as we explore the most epic experiences Switzerland has to offer. Let's go. Imagine this. You're running towards the edge of a cliff, the wind whipping through your hair, and suddenly you're lifted into the air, soaring among the majestic Swiss Alps. That's the magic of paragliding in Interlaken. This once-in-a-lifetime experience will set you back around 150 to 200 Swiss francs. But trust me, the views and the thrill are priceless. The best time to take the plunge is during the warmer months, from May to September, when the weather is just right for flying high. Before you take the leap, make sure you book with a reputable company and listen carefully to the safety briefing. Pack light, but don't forget your GoPro to capture every breathtaking moment. Get ready to hit the slopes in Zermatt, home to the iconic Matterhorn and some of the most exhilarating skiing in the world. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a first-timer, Zermatt has something for everyone. A day pass for this winter wonderland will cost you around 90 Swiss francs, and trust me, it's worth every penny. The best time to visit is during the winter months, from December to April, when the slopes are covered in pristine powder. Before you hit the slopes, make sure you've got all the right gear, including warm layers, waterproof outerwear, and of course, your skis or snowboard. And don't forget your camera to capture those Instagram-worthy shots. Calling all hiking enthusiasts! Get ready to lace up your boots and embark on an unforgettable trek along the legendary Eiger Trail. This challenging yet rewarding hike offers unparalleled views of the Eiger's north face, one of the most dramatic peaks in the Alps. Now, this adventure won't cost you a dime, but it's important to be prepared. The best time to tackle the trail is during the summer months, from June to September, when the weather is most stable. Make sure you've got proper hiking boots, plenty of water, and some snacks to keep you fueled along the way. And don't forget your camera to capture the jaw-dropping scenery. Chapter 4. Bungee jumping in Verzaska Dam. Taking the plunge of a lifetime. Hold on to your hats, folks, because this one's not for the faint of heart. Bungee jumping off the Verzaska Dam is the ultimate test of courage and a surefire way to get your adrenaline pumping. This iconic jump, made famous by James Bond in GoldenEye, will set you back around 200 Swiss francs, but the bragging rights alone are worth it. You can take the plunge year-round, but the warmer months offer the most pleasant experience. Before you jump, make sure you're physically and mentally prepared. Listen carefully to the safety instructions from the experienced guides, and then take a deep breath and jump. Chapter 5. Exploring the Aletsch Glacier. A journey through time. Get ready to step onto the largest glacier in the Alps, the mighty Aletsch Glacier. This natural wonder is a sight to behold, and exploring it is like taking a journey back in time. You can join a guided tour for around 100 Swiss francs, or explore independently. The best time to visit is during the summer months, from June to September, when the weather is most favorable. Be sure to pack warm layers even during the summer, as temperatures on the glacier can be chilly. Waterproof hiking boots are a must, and don't forget your sunglasses and sunscreen to protect yourself from the glare. Chapter 6. Skydiving in Lauterbrunnen. Free-falling into paradise. Have you ever dreamed of flying? Well, skydiving in Lauterbrunnen is as close as it gets. Imagine plummeting towards Earth at 120 miles per hour, surrounded by the breathtaking beauty of the Swiss Alps. This adrenaline-pumping adventure will cost you around 500 Swiss francs, but the memories will last a lifetime. The best time to jump is during the warmer months, from May to September, when the weather is clear and the views are at their best. Before you take the leap of faith, you'll receive comprehensive safety training from experienced instructors. They'll make sure you're comfortable and confident before you board the plane. Hold on to your hats because we're about to go tobogganing on Mount Pilatus. This exhilarating activity is fun for the whole family and, honestly, a great way to experience the beauty of the Swiss Alps. A ride on the world's longest toboggan run will cost you around 5 Swiss francs per ride. The best time to visit is during the summer months, from May to October, when the track is open. Wear comfortable clothing and sturdy shoes, as you'll be doing a bit of walking. And, oh, don't forget to bring your camera to capture the smiles and laughter. Chapter 8. White Water, Rafting in Lucina River. Riding the rapids. Get ready for a wild ride down the Lucina River. Whitewater rafting is the perfect activity for adventure seekers looking to experience the power of nature. A half-day rafting trip will cost you around 100 Swiss francs. The best time to go rafting is during the summer months, from May to September, when the water levels are ideal. Be prepared to get wet. Wear comfortable, quick-drying clothing and secure your belongings in a waterproof bag. And of course, listen carefully to your guide's safety instructions. Chapter 9. Hot air balloon ride in Château d'Aux. A bird's eye view of paradise. Prepare for a truly magical experience with a hot air balloon ride over Château d'Aux, the hot air balloon capital of the world. Float gently above the picturesque countryside, taking in breathtaking views of the Alps. A 1-hour flight will cost you around 350 Swiss francs. The best time to fly is during the early morning or late afternoon when the winds are calmest. Dress warmly, as it can get chilly at higher altitudes. And don't forget your camera to capture the unforgettable views. Chapter 10. Canyoning in Ticino. Conquering waterfalls and canyons. Get ready for an adrenaline-pumping adventure with canyoning in Ticino. This exhilarating activity involves rappelling down waterfalls, swimming through crystal-clear pools, and sliding down natural rock slides. A half-day canyoning trip will cost you around 150 Swiss francs. The best time to go canyoning is during the summer months, from June to September, when the water levels are safe and comfortable. Wear a swimsuit, sturdy shoes that can get wet, and a helmet, which will be provided by your guide. Be prepared to get wet and have the time of your life. So there you have it, folks, the top 10 must-try adventures in Switzerland that'll leave you breathless. From soaring through the skies to conquering raging rapids, Switzerland has something to satisfy every adventure appetite. Comment below if you'd like to understand the adventure appetite of a different country. Which of these incredible experiences are you dying to try? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such content. Until next time, safe travels from your travel buddy VueX.